Do you guys know what time it is? It's cleanup time. There we go. All right, so this doesn't happen often, but every once in a while, Corey, Denial, sometimes I help out. Today I decided to help out. We come out and we just kind of pick up all the little garbage that may be on the rocks. Now we got a guy who comes down and he usually does this for us. Right there. Got him. You know, I think he's off. So now we got to do it. It's no big deal. You know, kind of gives us something to do. We walk around. It's something that we do every once in a while. Just come out, kind of clean up a little bit. You guys see that? The cleaning crews also here. What they do is they usually come by once or twice a week. No, I think it's once every other week. And they literally wash everything on the lot within like a couple of hours. These guys are super fast. And the way they got everything set up inside the van is pretty cool. Water comes out of here, follows this hose all the way to the end. And that's what they got the gun. What's up, bro? ¿Todo bien?
Yeah,
¿Chido? Chido, chido, chido. Aquí nomás ando grabando a ver qué. Está bien, está bien. No, está bien. Pásenle, pásenle. Yo nomás aquí ando de bobo. Hey, these guys are over here going like, what the hell? That was weird. Why are you recording, bro? It's been a couple hours since they got started, and I think they have to finish this line, the front, and then the center line. So it's gonna take them a little bit more time, probably about another couple hours is my guess. We have some new little stickers that we put on the driver's side window, so that way you can scan the prices to every single vehicle in stock. And I'm really curious to see if they're gonna stick. They're waterproof, but with the pressure, I don't know if they're gonna peel off or not. So I'm gonna go check them. Like this little sticker here is what I mean, right? Like this car is still dirty, you know, still a little dirty, but you can scan it, right? And the price will pop up. It'll take you to the website, which is pretty cool. That's something that we just started doing. Okay, by the way, this is a really nice Chrysler 300. It's a 2014. We got a hell of a deal on that. And we just took another one just like it. It's sitting in the back. By the way, that one's all-wheel drive. But these trucks over here, which we're marking down an insane amount of money, they also have stickers. This one's already been cleaned, and it looks like, I don't know, it looks like it's okay. Looks good. Let them finish. I'm just gonna let them do their thing. I'm sure that me walking around with a camera recording them is making them a little bit uncomfortable. I don't want to make them uncomfortable, so I'm gonna let them do their thing. Check out the website or swing by the dealership and just scan one of these codes. If you see something you like, let me know.